Hello and welcome to MotoRogue. Today we have a Suzuki Jimny in the workshop. So the customer has already purchased all the gear from a Delhi-based seller. We will be handling the installation, integration and the professional tuning for this car. For the front and rear doors, the customer has chosen the Hertz Cento CK130 5.25-inch component speakers known for their smooth highs and clean mids, which are perfect for the compact cabin of Jimny. For the DSP, we are using the Mosconi Pico 4x8 4-channel amplifier with inbuilt 8-channel DSP. This compact beast is perfect for the tuning process. For the low-end punch, we are adding the Hertz CBA250 active subwoofer with enclosure that fits beautifully in the boot without eating up too much of boot space. With everything now installed, we move on to the final and the most important step, RTA based calibration and tuning using the Mosconi DSP. This helps us balance the frequency response, stage the imaging and fine-tune each and every speaker to get the best sonic experience in this Jimny. If you like this clean setup and want something similar for your ride, drop us a WhatsApp message on the number given below or visit a workshop for a demo. Thank you.